Can I get a show of hands? How many of you guys have a problem? Oh, come on, more than 2 of you have a problem. Alright, now we're getting honest. This song's about a problem. It could be about your problem. It's definitely about my problem, but we'll see if we relate.